Hi there, have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. Have you ever looked at a photo and thought, why don't I see things like that? It's not about better gear, photographers see differently, and you can train your vision too. Start with observing light. Ask yourself, where's the light coming from? Is it soft or harsh? Which direction is it hitting from? Light is everything. It shapes the feeling and mood of your shot. Then consider composition. Look for leading lines, framing, symmetry. And give this a try. Walk through a familiar place and pretend you're building a gallery of images just from that walk. You'll start seeing photo opportunities everywhere. Then slow down. Stay in one spot for 10 minutes. Just watch when gesture, light and emotion align. That's your moment. And if you want a deeper dive into this, watch the full video, How to See Like a Photographer, Train Your Eye. It's also linked below, and remember, don't just look, observe and see like a photographer. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon.